My name is Alexa Lopez. I am the podcast host of the Dance Breezers podcast. Here on YouTube, I help young dancers just like you spark their dance careers. I am doing dance tips, and now I'm doing fun reaction videos. So if you're interested in that, please like and follow us for more videos. Today we're going to be talking about how dancers actually make money. So there's two types of ways that dancers actually can make money. The very first one is to have reoccurring income. So this is the most stable way to make income, to make money as a dancer. There's not a ton of ways to do it, but it is possible. So the very first one is teaching dance. And this can be at a studio, at a school, like elementary school, high school, or it can also be as a professor in college, and that's gonna be like what you get, like big bucks basically. Also, as a recurring income, owning a studio is going to be pretty stable, but just keep in mind that there is a huge investment to make once you open a studio. Another stream of income that you can get is gig-based income. So in a gig, you might have a contract for a set amount of time. So you're not going to see that same amount of money coming in like forever. It's going to be a short period of time, and it's usually with a set amount of money. So a few examples of how you can do this is one, by performances. Whether you are a company dancer, whether you are an independent dancer and you market yourself as a performer, then those gigs are going to bring in the bucks. Another form is choreographing. So for example, I'm a quinceañera, Sweet 16 choreographer. So my income through that is gig based, but you can make it a recurring income once you start getting back-to-back gigs. So keep that in mind. And the last one that I have for you is applying for grants and creating projects or directing concerts and stuff like that. Now, how can dancers make money besides what I just said? Here is where other skills come in handy. So if you are either a photographer, a videographer, an editor, costume designer, set designer, a lighting designer, social media manager, all of these things are going to come in really handy when you are a dancer, because you don't now rely solely on the dance aspect of yourself, but you can also adapt and create other streams of income that come from your other skills that you have. For example, I am an editor, a video editor for other dance companies, art companies, because that's a skill that I have and I can adapt. And it is really good to have a dancer as an editor if you're editing dance, because then you have the musicality and an understanding of what the dancers are doing and how to edit that properly. And now I also manage other companies, Instagrams, and basically I'm a social media manager, so that also comes in really handy to create these other streams of income. So yeah, if you have any questions about how to create these streams of income for yourself, please feel free to reach out, comment below. I do have a free resource for you. It's the free dance career guide, and it's linked on the description box below. So make sure that you check it out, because it's really helpful to see what you have already, what skills you have to create your dance career, but also you can use it as an audit and see what you actually need in order to create your dance career, as well as a worksheet so you can really plan your dance goals for the new year. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.